Okay, quickly wanted to do a midday video. SPY, we see we're holding this 38 fib pretty much right here, right now, and we definitely need to get back above the 50 and 10 before we can entertain longs. But again, it's not really trading in a good range per se, but some stuff has bounced. So we're currently up, what, about 24. So we'll see how this one plays out. But again, this line in the sand has held so far. It's actually, if you can see here, it was resistance, resistance, then it became support here, and now we're seeing if it's going to get tested to the and continue to the upside, maybe squeeze out the shorts. No one knows, but again, we'll see how it goes from there. We got the QQQ. QQQ is holding the 50, looking to hold the 50, looking maybe if we could get above that 10 and maybe above these 88 levels, that definitely looks something for a trade idea. The weekly, remember today's Thursday, so it really came down and the bulls are definitely winning this fight right here, right now. If we could squeeze out and get above this 88.64 level and get back to the high of this 89, we could continue to go to the upside. You got the Russell. The Russell is testing the bottom of the channel. You can see right here, but it's currently giving a hammer formation. So we got to see if we can continue to the upside. Again, you want to get above this 1174 and this 1180 area will be a really good way to get back into that from the long side. And we have a hammer the end, but we need to get above, and it looks like the 10 and the 50 are going to cross, and they've crossed before. They crossed here, they have crossed here, they have crossed. Well, I haven't crossed in a long time, so we'll see this cross. I don't know if this is just bull flagging and I could just extend this down, but we just have to kind of play this one out right here, right now. This has been really choppy, so the volatility has probably been really great for the intraday guys. For the trend followers and the swing trade guys, this is really frustrating. Some stuff I was looking at today, Tesla has moved up. It's fading a little bit, but I might look to get into this one based off of the 30 minutes. So I'm kind of see how good this retracement is going to be and maybe get back into a nice buy point for myself. Facebook gapped up 15%. Looks really, really good right here, right now. So I'll see how this one plays out and if it could go higher. But remember, there's nothing above that. And look at that nice engulfing pattern on the weekly. So that one looks good as well. Twitter, again, is bucking against this buy point that we were talking about for the last couple days. We'll see how that works out, but it's definitely a good look if it could get above this high, and it's a great look to see if it can get above that high of 65.24. Maybe tomorrow will be the day. I got into Netflix and it faded on me so far, and that happens to everybody. But I was looking to get in on the break of this high, and it broke, and then it faded down, and I got a little bit. I scaled out, so basically it was just a flat trade, or I lost a little. But these things happen, and that's the part with the trending part that I was talking to you about, the indexes, is that when you have that trend, that helps to have these things follow through greatly. And it could go back up, but I'm still watching it for the day. But again, this is midday, and I just wanted to put this one out. Trade them up.